Metal roofing and siding is designed to last, but you can help ensure its longevity with proper maintenance. Here are 4 tips to help maintain your metal roofing or siding. Keep an eye out for danger. Check for damage every 6 months to keep potential issues from worsening. Check for fades. All painted metal will fade over time due to UV exposure. However, premature aging will still be under warranty. Trim landscape. Vegetation can rub against metal and create scratches or trap moisture, resulting in damage. It's recommended to keep 5 feet around your home clear of debris and plants. Trapped debris on roofs and in gutters can contribute to premature aging. Key areas to clean are valleys, roof transitions, and behind chimneys. A simple rinse using tap water is sufficient. For stubborn grime, dissolve 1/3 cup of Tide detergent in 1 gallon of water, then rinse. Never use abrasives or chemical cleaners as they can damage metal.